So, you want to learn how to identify citations? As you do research, you'll notice that many articles and books contain references to other articles and books. Even Wikipedia entries contain references. These consist of citations to resources that authors have quoted or paraphrased in their work, or have used in research for their publications. You may want to look up these resources so you can use the information in your own writing. The most common formats that you will encounter are books, chapters in books, journal articles, and websites. But each different information format is cited differently. Let's take a look at some examples of both APA and MLA style. You'll notice that there are some differences between the two citation styles. You'll also notice that each information format contains different elements. When you try to determine whether a citation is for a book, book chapter, or journal article, think about the elements inherent in each of these formats. For example, a journal article appears in a journal that is published in a volume and issue. If you see volume and issue numbers in the citation, you can assume the citation is for a journal article. Notice that a journal article citation essentially has two titles. There's the title of the article and the title of the journal that it appears in. A book chapter is usually written by a different author than the editors of the whole book. Again, notice that a book chapter citation has two titles. There's the title of the chapter and the title of the book it appears in. There are also two creators. There's the author of the chapter and the editor or editors of the entire book. A whole book is often the easiest citation to decipher. It contains the fewest elements. Here we have only one title, the title of the book, and there's one creator, the author of the book. Now you know how to identify citations. If you still have questions, feel free to contact NU Library for assistance.